In this video, I'll show you how to export a video in HandBrake the right way, step by step, so you can save your final file without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. First, go to the bottom right of the HandBrake window and click Browse. This is where you choose the destination for your exported file. HandBrake does not overwrite your original video, so you are creating a brand new file. That means you want to make sure your save location is easy to find and that your drive has enough free space for the new export. Once you've selected the folder and named the file, you're ready for the next step. Now move to the top of the screen and click the green Start Encode button. This begins the export process. HandBrake will now process your video and audio, then mux everything together into the final output file. Whether you are exporting to MP4 or MKV, this step is what packages your content into a playable video that stays in sync. After that, just watch the status bar at the very bottom of the window. Here you'll see the export speed, the FPS, and the ETA, which tells you how much time is left. This is the best way to monitor progress while HandBrake works in the background. When the progress reaches 100%, your export is complete and your file is ready to use. That's it. You now know how to export a HandBrake video quickly and correctly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more HandBrake tips and easy video editing workflows.